So Gearbest is one of my sponsors, and from time to time they got some deals. The idea is to release a video every 2 weeks, showing you guys some deals from Gearbest.com, with this being the first video. So the first deal that they have at the moment is the Elephone U and the Elephone U4 Pro. This phone will remind you of a Samsung because it also has this curved display and an 18:9 ratio display with minimal bezels. At the back you have this dual camera and fingerprint setup like you would see on the Samsung Galaxy S9, and the Pro version has the Snapdragon 660, where the normal one has the MTK6763T MediaTek CPU. Of course you will pay less for the latter one. They both have 6GB of RAM and 120GB of internal memory, the dual camera setup and a Full HD Plus display. The normal version at the moment is $349.99, where the Pro version is $419.99. They will also sell a case for it and a protection film on the page itself. The second deal is the Chuwi hi8 Air tablet, which runs on Android 5.1 but also on Windows 10. And having used Chuwi, I can say that I like their build quality. It also has a 19x20x1200 resolution on an 8-inch screen, which is also fully laminated, which is surprising for a price like this. Its CPU is an Intel X5 quad-core based on a 14nm chip. Right now you can buy this for $199.99. With this you will also get a Chuwi Slim stand for free. We also have the FLSUN S 3D printer. This 3D printer right now is $509.99. This 3D printer, while costing a pretty penny, is still somewhat reasonably priced. But that is because the way it works. A normal 3D printer uses layers upon layers in the end to create this 3D printed model. This is something you will see with even more expensive 3D printers that use a printing head. However, this one works different. It uses a laser combined with UV light, creating a fluid 3D print, so no layers. I will leave a link in the description below to showcase how it properly works. Downsides for something like this is that the print size is smaller than normal. The max size is 108x68x200mm. Now one of the coolest but also most expensive deals is the Xiaomi Mi Ultra laser projector. Now a normal projector works with a light bulb and has a pretty limited lifespan. But you also create a distance between you and the projector itself to create this image. However, with something like this it works different. The laser projector can be placed straight in front of you and it projects the image on the wall itself, being close to the wall. You can even have this on a maximum size of 150 inch in Full HD. Freaking imagine that. LG did something similar to this and it is a good evolution for a projector, and it can make your interior look much more clean. Via Gearbest though, at the moment you will get a discount using the coupon code indicated below. So these are some of the deals. I will link some others down below as well, and also tomorrow the Samsung Galaxy Note video will be online. Have a good one and talk to you guys in the next.